In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho Books. Whether you're just starting with Zoho Books or you want to make sure you've got the process down, this guide will walk you through every step. Adding contacts is a crucial step for anyone managing their finances through Zoho Books and helps you keep track of your clients efficiently. So let's dive in and make sure you set up your contacts correctly. First things first, let's navigate to the Zoho Books website. It's the central hub where you'll be managing all your accounting needs. Simply open your web browser and enter Zoho Books in the search bar, or you can type in the direct URL, which is www.zoho.com/books. Once you land on the home page, you'll notice there are various options and information laid out for you. Next, you'll want to sign into your account, which should be quite straightforward. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you've set up multi-factor authentication, make sure to complete that step for secure access. Once signed in, you should be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. From the homepage, head over to the Sales section. You can find sales usually listed on the sidebar. It's organized this way to help you quickly navigate through different aspects of your financial operations. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a section where all sales related information is comprehensively organized. Within the Sales section, look for the Customers tab. This is where you'll manage all your client interactions and data. Clicking on Customers opens up a list of your existing clients, making it easy to manage and refer back to them whenever necessary. Now, to add a new contact, you'll want to find the New button. This is usually prominently displayed and designed to catch your attention, ensuring you have no difficulty spotting it. Click on New and a form will pop up, prompting you to enter the details of your new contact. Filling in this form is a critical step. Make sure to input all the necessary information about your new customer accurately. Details such as the customer's name, email address, phone number, and other pertinent information should be correctly filled to ensure smooth communication and transaction processing later. And there you have it, you've just added a new contact in Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your contact list updated is essential for maintaining accurate records and ensuring seamless financial management. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on using Zoho Books effectively.